It works out of the box. Welcome to Alchemist Prime. I'm your host CHAKRA, and I'm here to talk to you about the Black & Decker 20-volt max 44-piece home drill toolkit set. That easy starts. Comes pretty well packaged. Voila. What do y'all think? beautiful. Looks like it's already kind of pre-opened a little bit. Looks like I don't know what happened. Oh, okay. Saves me a little bit of. I was about to say I gotta go get the scissors, but it looks like when they must have threw the box or something. These guys must have tore right through the plastic. Gotta wash out. You gotta watch out. You mess your hands up. So we got the handy dandy drill set with all the little numbers. See that? And we got the handy dandy screwdriver. Chromatic. Then we got the whatever the fuck these are. I don't know all the names and shit. Then we got the screwdriver set. Measuring tape. It works out of the box. That shit was sick. Like, to the head, what? No. 2 shoulders, 1 to the heart. Not just fun. 1 to the head. Not just fun. Hey, but we got the 20-volt max, and it's like reversible. Reggie. Now you ain't gotta be like under desks and shit, just be like, We got the measuring guy. We got more screwdriver drill steps, whatever. And in the back of the package, we got the charger. Got the menu. No one needs that. The instructions manuals. Then we got the charger. Yeah. Appreciate you guys for stopping by. Please make sure to subscribe. Check out the links in the description. I will make sure to add the link to this guy. A little Amazon link for you all. I like Black & Decker, man. I try to go, honestly, to the one near me. And then I was like, let me get a Black & Decker, right, with the drill toolkit set. Trying to do some screwing around here, right? You know. And then he was like, oh, we have DeWalt. I was like, the what? I was like, I don't want DeWalt, man. And it was expensive too, for something just like this. Black & Decker, and it looks way sicker than the fucking DeWalt, man. Deuce. Appreciate y'all. Please make sure to subscribe. You know what I mean? Hit that bell notification. Hit that like button. Check out the links in the description. Comment down below, and I will see you in my next video.